feet, leg, and body is separate, and then she's flying, and then she is looking for pregnant.
Show me.
And then,
Maybe it's painful.
yeah, Conte. Alay ko. Yeah, like that. Face became monster.
Monster.
Yeah. And then I monster now. And then back wing now. Like that. But leg is inside the house. Hey. Like that. Look. Oh. And then Tommy is eating. You're dead. Die.
Okay, so now you understand one folklore.
Yes po.
To me,
Yes po.
sa pagpapatuloy ng inatasan ko sa iyo na gumawa ka ng vlog dito sa loob ng aking bahay, ikaw ngayon ay gagawa ng vlog tungkol sa Philippine folklore. Sa tulong ni Yam Yam. How do you feel about that?
I'm so excited. He's very good actor. He will become a very good monster. Yeah, I know.
Susunod, 1, 2, 3, action!
It's okay. Because the mermaid is here is fish, diba?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is not fish.
Hindi, yun nasa green.
Bakit? May bawang.
Didi mo yan.
The Darawang garlic. 1, 2, booba.
Garlic boba is is so burn. Hard. Why are you laughing?
Uupo ka. Upo ka dyan, upo ka. 1, 2, 3, action!
He became Serena, and then his feelings is also became Serena. No, don't laugh. Okay. That's okay.
Pangalawa pong creature na ginawa namin kuya yung tiyanak po kuya. Then, you substitute for me.
Like oh, it's good, so good. And then sit here.
Kinasuman ako nila pumiya po ng underwear na white para maging baby. And then,
Me. No.
Why?
What do you think?
it's okay.
Boys, boys, boys.
His baby acting is super good. Yeah, he has baby heart. So cute. No. Wow, so cute. Cute baby.
Don't harass me!
Okay.
What a baby.
Mama sa Pacquiao.
Mukha mo si Pacquiao. nakuha ko. Minikapan ako nilalo ng may pangil, tapos may mga makeup na para maging monster face.
Next, we do horseman. The tek barang is the leg is horse, and then the upper body is human. But I've never met tek barang, but it close to real. He has tek barang feelings. That's why I feel him. Yeah.
You feel him, Fumiya? Because you are the ritual brothers.
Okay. Okay.
I'm suffocation.
Susunod, ang iba pang kagimbal-gimbal na pagbabagong anyo sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Big Brother 8.
Big man.
How big?
Yeah. Times 4. This times 4. So big. So big body. And then his body is black. Yeah.
Wait.
Yung kapre, wala siyang damit sa taas.
Yam-yam, ganyan ba talaga ka-sexy maghubad ang kapre?
The face is like a monkey.
Maya-maya pa ay sinimulan na nila ang huling transformation.
I think the Manananggal is the best creature in this globe. Here and there.
But we have no wings.
Huh?
We have no wings.
Wings. So mahirap.
What is that?
Wing.
Here, look at that.
Fumiya, ganyan ba talaga ang kulay ng pakpak ng manananggal?
Wing.
Pwede naman siguro wala pang pakpak na manananggal na lang.
Pwede yan, pakpak ko yan. Yung manananggal po kuya, yung trash bag, ginawa po ni Kuya Mark yung pakpak ko yan.
Yeah.
We need makeup.
Makeup. The wing is very real, and then his makeup is it's very good.
At sa pagtatapos ng kanilang folklore vlog,
Hey, what's up? I'm Fumiya. I'm learning Filipino folklore. And then I want to meet Filipino creatures. Yeah. Where is Selena? Wow! Selena! I'm looking for Capre. Wow! So cute, baby! I'm looking for Tikbalang.
Back team online. Grab.
For some reason po na feel ko na mangyayari po yun sa akin. Inano ko na lang din po yung sarili ko. Rinetti ko lang po. Oo, dalawa naman kayo. Okay lang yan.
Dandan muna. Kasi alam ko naman pinakita ko. Hindi ko lang matanggap sa lahat ng housemates. May di maganda silang nakita sa akin. At totoo naman, kuya. Pero para sa akin po, pagkakatotoo lang po ako sa sarili ko. Na naging makasarili lang naman ako kay kuya. Ginawa ko yung mga bagay na yun. Pero hindi ko lang matanggap sa lahat ng housemates. Naging makasarili pa ako sa inyo.
Mixed emotions for different reactions.
Even though I've been nominated twice because of overthinking and number 2 because of violations, it just makes me believe in myself more po. And I just truly believe in my heart that I don't deserve to go because of all those reasons.
I know. For some reason, na-feel ko na ako.
Matuto.
Yeah, of course. I'm like, everything happens for a reason. That's it. No! Kuya.
Kasi tinuturing ko na siyang kapatid kong babae ko ya. Tapos sobra ko pong nalungkot na nasali siya sa isang nominado po kuya.
Random times. We have no idea.
Okay. It's not like always happens on.
No.
Hindi, mag-usap. Kung sa kanya yung kimik-kimik sa mga lalaki.
Wait, what's this scar? Frown? Oh, that's always been there.
Iba-iba nga ang naging reaksyon ng mga housemates sa naganap na nominasyon, pero paano kaya ito makakaapekto sa samahan nila sa loob ng bahay? Yan ang mga dapat nating subaybayan sa mga susunod na araw. Samantala, sino nga kaya ang bibisita sa camp para magbigay ng haircut sa ating mga star dreamers? At paano haharapin ng kambal na sina Kim at Kin ang mga challenges na nag-iintay sa kanila sa loob ng Camp Star Hunt? Narito, panoorin na nating lahat. Sa Camp Star Hunt, pumasok ang kambal na sina Kim at Kin, pero dumaan muna sila sa isang switching challenge.